Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Aziz Amri bin Muhammad Yusof. My metric number is DE100096. First of all, I would like to thank you for Dr. Nurshidah binti Katiran as my supervisor, and thank you also for the Dr. Maslina binti Yaakob and also Dr. Arifuddin bin Zorat. And now I would like to present for final year project 1. My title is Development of Termite Detector Monitoring System using Arduino. The first is project background. Subterranean termite are the foremost structure pet inflicting tremendous amount of damage, whereas drywood termite live entirely within the wood, is nesting, feeding there, and that they have a flexibility to thrive in wood with low wetness content. They will attack every kind of dead and dry wood, comparable to structural timberless, fusioning, and wastewood. However, for wood termite, they live within the wood on varied level of decay. Okay, this is the problem statement for this project. Termite effects. Termite have verified that they could enhance soil pH, water content material, organic carbon content material, and spoggy with the aid of using cycle lifeless organic. Nevertheless, they could supply poor effect to human welfare with the aid of using inflicting harm to obscure wooden product, farming equipment, underground cable, and additionally irrigation drain. Okay, second, termite access to human. Termite uses some of path that is with the aid of using growing tunnel holes through walls, motoring through the roof and crack inside the wall. Third, to avoid termite access to home. In doubt of every residence and the surrounding location have been tested to stumble on the presence of termite and termite associated harm. Okay, this is for the objective project. To development monitoring system which able to detect the presence of underground termite movement based on Arduino technology. Okay, to develop and integrate a warning system such that the owner of premise aware of the presence of termite. Okay, the objective is to test and analyze the functionality of the system detect termite existence by measuring temperature and soil moisture. Okay, this is the scope of project. First, owner can monitor the presence of termite and can receive the warning from the system if the termite are detected in the building. Second is the technology. Technology using the blind apps to connect between hardware and software. And the last is area. Every area have a potential for the presence of termite. Okay, this for the main component for this project. The first is Arduino Uno as a main board. Okay, second, we use temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and IR sensor for the detect of termite, and LED for the signal. Wi-Fi shield we use also, and LCD to appear the result, and the smartphone used for the send the data. Okay, this is the flowchart for this project. Okay, the first is start. and Arduino will be start, and IR sensor will be active, and we can see the condition, and we can look on the LED will be appear with the signal, and temperature sensor will be active, and humidity also active, and okay, we can see the condition on the display on LCD. After that, send data and signal to the Wi-Fi shield, and the result will be data will be sent to the user's smartphone, and system will be in. Okay, the result. The humidity result will be appear to the screen LCD with the result of the temperature will be reviewed in this section. Firstly, the effect of humidity that affects the presence of termite. If the temperature is low and the humidity is high, the possibility of the termites to build their colony will high. If the humidity is low and the temperature is high, we should not worry about the termite will be not be able alive on the high temperature. Okay, this is my coding for this project, and this is my circuit for this project. Okay, for the conclusion, that the result in this circuit will be appear onto the LCD. This project will be able to produce the better result that suitable for the termite detector. From this project, the result will be depends on the humidity and the temperature, and the IR sensor will detect the movement of termite. The conclusion is the termite will appear if the temperature is low and the humidity is high. That's all for me. Thank you.